Get pumped for Saturday mornings with a chain reaction of action.
Let's duel!
Catch Power Rangers Ninja Steel.
Things are about to heat up.
Plus brand new episodes.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management in conjunction with your local authority. Many 911 calls have been made about a friend or loved one suddenly acting very strangely and not responding to anything that anyone says, or saying anything at all. The only noises that have been heard coming from these people were low, heavy breathing. Despite this, it has been hypothesized that these people can still hear, though they will not speak under any circumstance. It is unknown if this is a pathogen or a psychological phenomenon. If anyone you know stops talking suddenly or begins to act strangely, dial 911 immediately or transport them to a nearby hospital.
Magically sticks together for real construction play. Make boulders and load them up. Feed them in and crush them down with the real working rock crusher. Kinetic rock never dries out, so you can use it again and again. You can get your very own Kinetic Rock Rock Crusher playset for $19.99 plus $5.99 processing and handling. You can go online and find
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma Department of Emergency Management in conjunction with your local authority. Many of the same people who reported others suddenly going silent and acting strangely have reported that the person is now acting aggressively and is threatening them or others. Some murders have even been committed by these silenced individuals. At this time, it is advised that all citizens shelter in place and do not go outside unless absolutely necessary. To shelter in place, lock all windows and doors. Have a method of defense in case encountered by these individuals. It is still unknown what is causing these individuals' behavior, though it is likely that it is a psychological phenomenon. If anyone in your home is acting similar to these individuals, evacuate immediately or execute them for your safety.